Hello, friends. Welcome to another insightful Zen story that reminds us of the importance of friendship and human connections in our lives. Today's story is titled Life is Colorless Without Friends. Once upon a time, there was a young man who lived a solitary life. He spent most of his time alone, engrossed in his work and personal pursuits. He believed that he didn't need anyone else and that true happiness could be found within himself. One day, while walking through a beautiful garden, he came across an old Zen master tending to the flowers. The young man was struck by the vibrant colors of the blooms and the serene atmosphere of the garden. Intrigued, he approached the Zen master and asked, "Master, how can this garden be so full of life and color when the world around us seems so dull and gray?" The Zen master looked at the young man and smiled. He then asked, "Tell me, my friend, have you ever truly experienced the beauty of life without the company of others?" The young man pondered the question for a moment and then shook his head. The Zen master continued, "You see, life is like a garden. Each person is a unique flower, with their own beauty, fragrance, and color. When we come together, we create a vibrant tapestry of experiences, emotions, and perspectives that enrich our lives. Imagine this garden with only one type of flower," the Zen master said. "It would be beautiful, but it would lack the diversity and richness that comes from different colors, shapes, and scents blending together harmoniously." The young man nodded, beginning to understand the wisdom behind the master's words. "Friends are like the different flowers in this garden," the Zen master explained. "They bring color, joy, and meaning to our lives. Without them, our existence would be dull and lifeless, like a garden with only one type of flower." The young man left the garden that day with a newfound appreciation for the value of friendship and human connections. He realized that true happiness and fulfillment come not from isolation but from embracing the richness and diversity that others bring into our lives. Friends are the colors that paint our world with vibrancy and meaning. Let us cherish and nurture our friendships, for they are the essence of a life well lived. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, may your life be filled with the warmth and beauty of true friendship.